Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today you can see here I've come to my gym where I work out daily. From last more than 5 years I've been working out here. So I train my clients as well as here. It's in Bangalore, JP Nagar 6th phase, Powerline Gym. So today it's Sunday morning and here it becomes very crowded in this gym. In the morning. Right now no one is there. I come at this time to work out, and these weeks I have done all the body parts workout. Today I am going to do legs workout. Only the legs was pending. So let's work out together today. I'll show you what all workouts I do and you can follow it. I'll guide you the posture and the muscles it hits. Let's work out today together. Before going to the weights directly, let's first do body weight squats. Because today I'm targeting my leg workout. We'll warm up the entire leg. Okay, this is the position I take. Hips apart. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do 20. You can keep here or you can keep it like this. Let's keep it here. So it's very noisy here. Just avoid this noise. Just beside the main door. So it's very noisy this place. Ignore the noise. Let's do it together. Okay, let's do it. 20 squats. So making sure your knee is not coming front like this. So you try to sit it from the sides and show you. See, exactly taking my glutes behind. Making sure my knee is not coming front like this. From the sides like this. Now this is my first set. So I'll be completing these 3 sets. So let's do it 3 sets. So catch you in the next workout with weights. I have completed 3 sets. See, already heart is pumping. Just a warm up. So making your body ready for the weight training. Where you should get a heart pump. So that there will be a proper blood circulation to the working out areas. Yeah. So very pumping. My legs are already pumping. Okay. Okay. Now let's check it out. There are so many ways you can start. There are so many options here in the gym. You can go with squats, or you can go with this leg press. I'll just show you leg press, or we can go with barbell squats. So we have to decide. You can decide anything, any form of workout. So today I'll be doing squats. You don't have a separate bar here to do squats. So mostly I'll be doing here. So I'll be facing the other side where this is to serve as a protective for any, if no one is there, the spotter. So you have to be safety when you're working out. So making sure you're safe. Recently, you have seen the video, it's there for them, right? He was carrying 210 kgs. So even though spotter was present, they could not save him. He fell on his neck, on the spot he died. So you have to be very, very careful when you are working out with heavy weights. Yes, I'm a heavy lifter, so myself I keep very, very safe, secure myself. First of all, that's the first priority. So let's do it. just my minimum weights that I've lifted. See how the heartbeat has increased. Whew. I completed my 3 sets. So next I'll go little easier one, machine. So this was completely manual workout. Squats. Okay, let's go for the next workout. I'm exhausted. I'm done with my hamstrings, my quads. So the muscle left is abductor, glutes and calf raise that I'll be doing right now. Yeah, just follow. Now I'll be doing Sumo Squats, actually with your abductors. So it's a little wider than normal squats. Start. This is my third set, finally one more set to go. It's getting more and more tough now. Okay, take the position. Okay, wider than your squats stance. Okay, here you go, left weight, last set. This is the exercise for glutes. Kick. So you have to kick up behind and here it goes. So I'll do inside 10 repetitions. So you breathe in now. As soon as you kick up, breathe out. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, now change the leg, the other side. Whew. Finally done, legs workout. Full exhausted. It's been 1 hour spent in the gym and it's been completed. Feels good after doing heavy workouts. So you can just follow these simple workouts and it all depends on the level you're working out right now. You might be beginner. Start with lightweight and gradually increase. Okay? And who are already doing it in advanced, you know it, how much weights to take and how many sets and repetitions to do. So accordingly you have to decide. So these all are my next workout, and in the next week I'll be bringing different workouts which I keep on changing every week so you don't get bored. There are so many options in the gym. We can change from the boredom. We get bored, right, doing the same schedule. So keep changing whichever likes, and enjoy your workout. So see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.